Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: permanently deleted files can be retrieved from the recycle bin by clicking the restore all button on the recycle bin tools. Manage tab. True, false. Answer the question: false. Permanently deleted files cannot be retrieved from the recycle bin by simply clicking the restore all buttons. Once files are permanently deleted, typically by bypassing the recycle bin or emptying it, they are no longer accessible through normal system functions. Recovery of permanently deleted files would typically require specialized data recovery software or services. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.